Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a very simple 3D circle design. So it is very fantastic and very modernized circle 3D logo design. So it's so beautiful. I'm astonished today by showing this video. So I request you just to watch this video complete and you can learn from something from here. Then I'm gonna talk. Let's begin today. So what we need to do, I just select first time and all the things a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side, be more clear logo. And what we need to do, I need to go to the dashboard and so many tools over here. But I need the ellipse tool. I press over here and drag by pressing Shift key and Alt key together. You see? So it doesn't fill color, but I stop to fill color and stop. And it just, I needed the stroke color. Okay, good. What we need to do, I just a little bit that angle, or better. So it's done. And I needed this copy. I go to the edit, copy, and go to the font. And I need now go to the here and just go to transform, reflect all things, and adjust to 60%. Click and adjust to go over here, copy like that, and I need it over here like that, like that, exactly. Then we're running today again. Go over here and just go to the transform and reflect all things, and I need to go to the horizontal, also 60°. So just 60 like that. Oh my god, level, and go over here. Go there, copy. Oh, it not like that. It's okay. I need again go to the over here, act, and go to the draw, enter, that copy, and I needed just to set up that I previous done all the things like that. Copy all the things, not a need copy, but I select all the things, then go to the Pathfinder and execute to the united all the things. See, this united. So I needed this angle like that right up by pressing Shift key. The two will be more better and exactly put it down. So what we need to do, I again copy all the things, go to the edit, copy, and go back to the edit. That's in front. Okay, so I need it now just a little bit downside like that. I think it's okay. So I just move to the other side like that and go to the angle like this angle. It's a little bit more better. So a little bit upper side. This keyboard. It's a little bit more better. So it's then I think it's okay. A little bit like that. Yes, it's magic. So select all the things again and go to the change the color, this black color, and I think I need to go to the again to the Pathfinder and just go to the plus to minus. You see, it's magic. So I need to go to the over here, just stop the stroke color. It will be more better. So okay, now go to the effect and go to the dashboard and transform all the things. Over here you see the copies. How many copies? Is only 2, and other side is 120%. And preview all the things. Go over here like that, a little bit bigger. I think it will be good. And vertical, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay. little bit, I think. Okay, little bit, yes, little bit, the small size, I think, like that. Yeah, it's okay. I think this fantastic. So I need to go to click this. Okay, see, that's almost done. So I go to the object and go to the expand experience and expand all the things. Then go over here just for like that. I just select that. Go over here, select all the things. Go to the Preview tool and just change the color. Any color, no problem. It will be changed in the letter, no problem. It's like that. See how is magic? It's magic. So it's already done. All the things, and I know just to ungroup all the things because it will be needed necessary. So we needed to ungroup all the things like that. Okay, it's done. So I gonna to brilliant, but it's already done before, so I never go over here. Just you try. I go to the eyedropper tool and copy this all the things and go over here other side. Go there. It's done. And other thing is that go again, eyedropper and select over here. You see exactly it's happened. This total carry all the things. Okay, it's not difference between this one, that one. So I delete this previous one and I select this one. So it's good and fantastic, really circle design. So thanks for watching.